Every once in a while, the camera industry braces for a seismic shift, a release so powerful that it doesn't just update a product line, it completely rewrites the rulebook. Right now, the entire photography world is holding its breath for what might be the ultimate crop sensor powerhouse, the rumored Sony Alpha 6900. For months, Sony has kept their cards completely hidden, refusing to utter a single word about this camera's existence. But in the tech world, silence usually means something massive is brewing behind closed doors. Across Reddit threads, gear forums, and YouTube comment sections, the exact same burning question keeps popping up: is Sony about to drop full-frame flagship performance into a compact APS-C body? While we don't have an official press release just yet, a massive wave of supply chain leaks and insider reports are painting a picture of a camera that could completely disrupt the market. Now, before we get into the absolute madness of these leaked specifications, we have to lay down some ground rules. Everything we are breaking down today comes from trusted industry whispers, developmental leaks, and insider roadmaps. Sony has not officially confirmed the existence of the A6900, meaning there is no locked-in price, no official release date, and no guarantee that every single rumored feature will make it to the final production line. In fact, even the name is a subject of heavy debate. A lot of people naturally expected the successor to the A6700 to simply be called the A6800. However, incredibly reliable insiders are suggesting that Sony is going to skip that number entirely, leaping straight to the Alpha 6900 to signify a massive generational leap. There is even talk of rebranding it to the Alpha 7000 to place it in a premium tier of its own. But honestly, the name on the badge doesn't matter. What matters is the absolute monster of a spec sheet hiding inside. The absolute crown jewel of this rumored camera, and the reason everyone is paying attention, is the sensor. Multiple sources are reporting that Sony has developed a groundbreaking, 33-megapixel, chip-on-wafer stacked APS-C sensor. Pushing the resolution from 26 megapixels to 33 is a fantastic upgrade, giving you plenty of room to crop in post-production. But the megapixel count is just the appetizer. The stacked architecture is the main course. If you aren't a massive camera nerd, here is why a stacked sensor changes everything. Unlike a standard backside illuminated sensor, a stacked sensor physically places the processing circuitry directly underneath the light-gathering pixels. This acts like a massive superhighway for your data, radically increasing sensor readout speeds. It virtually eliminates the dreaded rolling shutter effect, that ugly jello-like warping you get when panning quickly, and it allows the camera to process incredibly heavy data loads without breaking a sweat. If this leak is true, we are looking at a crop sensor camera capable of speeds previously locked behind a $5,000 paywall. And it's not just about speed, it is about pure, unadulterated image fidelity. This new silicon design is expected to unlock a massive boost in dynamic range. Landscape photographers will be able to recover incredible detail from deep, crushed shadows without introducing messy digital noise. Portrait shooters are going to benefit from smoother, more natural tonal roll-off, especially in the skin tones. Meanwhile, wildlife photographers are going to get the best of both worlds, the extra reach of the APS-C crop factor, combined with a sensor that can handle high ISOs in challenging woodland light. To handle all this raw information, reports point directly to Sony dropping their next-generation BIONZ XR2 image processor into the chassis. By pairing a lightning-fast stacked sensor with their flagship silicon brain, the entire shooting experience transforms. You can expect nearly instantaneous boot times, zero lag when navigating menus, buffer clearing speeds that feel like magic, and a massive boost in overall operational efficiency. This combination alone threatens to make the A6900 the most capable APS-C camera Sony has ever engineered. So, just how fast will this camera be? For continuous shooting, the rumors are pointing to absolute flagship territory. We are talking about blistering burst rates of up to 30 frames per second using the electronic shutter, completely blackout-free, alongside a highly durable mechanical shut. Or pushing roughly 15 frames per second. If you shoot sports, aviation, or fast-moving wildlife, this is your holy grail. Trying to catch a bird diving for a fish? 30 frames a second ensures you extract the exact, perfect, decisive moment. And to help freeze that action in glaring sunlight, the electronic shutter is heavily rumored to reach speeds of 1/16,000th of a second, letting you shoot your favorite prime lenses wide open without overexposing your shot. Of course, shooting 30 frames a second is completely useless if your subject is blurry. Thankfully, Sony's autofocus is legendary, and the A6900 is expected to inherit the brand's dedicated AI processing unit. This isn't just contrast detection, this is deep learning artificial intelligence. The camera will instantly recognize human poses, instantly lock onto the eyes of animals and birds, and seamlessly track insects, cars, and trains. Because the stacked sensor reads the scene so fast, it feeds the AI processor more information per second than ever before, resulting in autofocus tracking that feels almost like cheating. But what about filmmakers? The leaks here are incredibly promising, specifically because Sony isn't chasing gimmicks. Instead of cramming an overheating 8K mode into a small body just for the marketing headline, Sony is reportedly hyper-focusing on making this the ultimate 4K machine. Rumors indicate the A6900 will shoot glorious, oversampled 4K video at up to 60 frames per second using the full width of the sensor. Because it is pulling from roughly 7K of raw data and shrinking it down to 4K, the footage will be tack-sharp, completely free of moire, and incredibly clean in low light. For the slow-motion crowd, insiders report a 4K 120 frame per second mode with a modest crop, which is exactly what wedding and commercial shooters need for cinematic B-roll. Pair this with rumors of refined body ergonomics and an upgraded internal stabilization system, and you have a lethal hybrid tool. When you step back and look at the whole picture, the deafening hype surrounding the Sony Alpha 6900 makes absolute sense. It isn't relying on one single gimmick. It is the perfect storm of a 33-megapixel stacked sensor, flagship-level AI processing, unbelievable 30 frame per second speed, and masterclass 4K video, all housed in a travel-friendly setup. If Sony delivers on even half of these leaked specifications, they aren't just releasing a new camera. They are making a massive statement. They are proving that the APS-C format is not just a stepping stone for beginners, but a highly competitive, professional-grade ecosystem. Until Sony officially pulls the curtain back, all we can do is analyze the leaks and wait. But one thing is absolutely certain, the entire industry is watching, and the A6900 might just change the game entirely.